Yes, so Oga Madam, how una day? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever una day. This na Naija Economic Gist, where they bring you the gist about wetin our government and wetin CBN they do to better the economy, and I dey shalaye wetin they mean for our pocket. I be your guy, Dr. Toves, and I dey bring you the money matter for here. Today we dey talk about inflation and inflation wahala and wetin that they call rebasing. Sure, when I don't hear the news. Around February this year, February, say inflation don't fall. Them say it don't drop from 34.8% to 24.8%. For una wey no go school, or una wey no finish school, or una wey go school but don't forget everything, or if you go school and no do economics, make I quickly shalaye some of the big grammar them, and then we'll talk about wetin they mean for our pocket. Now make we start with inflation. Wetin be inflation sef? Now imagine say you go market last month, go buy 2 bar of yam, and that 2 bar of yam na 2,000 naira. Now this month you go market to go buy that same 2 bar of yam, the same weight, the same height, the same everything, but now that 2 bar of yam don't cost 5,000 naira. That difference for the price, that increase for the price, now wetin they call inflation. It means say your money no get value again. It means say the things where your money they fit buy before no fit buy them again. It means say your money don't turn to paper. Now wetin inflation be that. Okay. Now how CBN they take calculate this inflation? Now they calculate that inflation, they use one formula what they call consumer price index, CPI. And the name of the formula be that CPI. And the way they calculate that CPI, now to gather all the things that people they buy. Some of the things that people they buy like garri, like rice, like fuel, even the data where they use watch TikTok and Instagram them, they'll put them inside one basket. Not be real basket, but like, that collection, they call them basket. So they put all the things that people they buy inside basket. They'll come compare the price of that basket this year and then the price of those same items maybe last year or 2 years ago or 3 years ago. Okay, now so they track the changes. Now, if the price of everything for those baskets go up for those year, that means say inflation don't rise. Whereas if the prices of the things within inside that basket go down, it means say inflation don't fall. Okay, when I get the gist now. So that's how they calculate inflation. So now, as at December last year, 2024, the inflation rate now 34.8%. But that figure they high well. I sure say when I feel myself. When I did school, them tell us say any inflation rate will they higher than 7%. Wahala dey be that. Naija own now almost 35%. UK own for February we just passed 2025 now 3%. US own now 2.8% for February. Canada own now 1.9% for January, and Ghana own now 23.5% for January. So December we now 34.8%. Obviously, wahala dey. Now normally when government all around the world, when they want to try reduce inflation to make their citizens enjoy their money small, or make their people not just they suffer too much, some of them go create employment. Some of them go even try increase the food supply so that because if food supply they increase, it will create competition, then price go fall down, people go get more value for their money again. Some countries go even put like price cap to say companies no increase your petrol past this point, no increase your bag of rice past this point, something like that. Some of them go even use interest rate. But trust Naija no do any of those things. They no try to do any of those things. They use Naija no go carry last style to reduce that rate. You know what thing then do? Them rebase the inflation. That one another big grammar. Make I explain what rebase mean. So remember when I say to calculate inflation, they go calculate all of the price of some things that people they buy for 1 year and compared to another year. Well, the year where Naija been they use now 2009. So that won't be the base year. So whenever they calculate inflation, when they calculate the 2024, or they compare them with the December 2009, the price of those baskets for 2009. But for 2009, people they use Nokia touchlight phone. They use phone guy. Nowadays everybody they use an iPhone 15 Pro Max, someone buy iPhone 15 Pro. Even people who don't get light for house won't use the big iPhone and the big Samsung, right? And also, who will be president for 2009? President Yaradua. Rest in power. So obviously the gas change that base year and the things where they inside a basket so that the prices go actually reflect what people they buy now. So now what they call rebase be that, because if you use that time to compare now, obviously things don't worse well. Things don't jaga don't yama don't pafuka, things don't scatter. So now why did they get 34.8%? So they won rebase them. Say 2009 no make sense to use again, made them change them to something where they more recent. But that will not be my own wahala for the rebasing, because obviously it makes sense to change the year. But one problem be say normally when central banks all around the world they do inflation, when they rebase, then they rebase every 5 years. But Naija no do them since 2009. You won't know why? You ready for the why? Not be corruption. According to the waiting I read for Reuters na global newspaper, right? Them say that because CBN no get resources to rebase the year. So from since 2009, a whole CBN no get time, no get money. So they no get money to count money. Now what? Naija, I hail. Check them first. Now, almost every state for Naija gets CBN. Almost every state for Naija gets CBN and FCT. So all of this and each of those states, they get workers. So you want to tell me, say all of the workers for those states, all of the CBN for those states, they don't get time, they don't get money to just go get our prices from market and just compare from one year to another year. Now, wow, something they important for our economy, they don't get time for. So what they can't get time for? Anyways, the current government, the current government, President Tinubu government, won't know the real thing, the real price, because they don't want to use 2009 they compare, because like I said, everything with the price could just high unnecessarily. So them change the base year, then rebase the thing from 2009 to 2024. So basically between January 2024 and January 2025, the inflation rate now 24.2%. But that one's still high, well. So from January to January, inflation rate, the price increase now 24.28%. So even though the thing dropped from 34.8% to 24.28%, make not start to celebrate. So me say Gary price don't drop because the rate still high, well. Some people go to wonder, so waiting be the benefit of this rebasing. But look, if they no rebase, then they use old data. And it be like same person they use map of Lagos from 2009 to find the way around Lekki today. You go lost. So this new number, this new figure, they more accurate. But remember, it no mean say prices don't come down. It just means say they measure the change better. So what it mean for you and me? What it mean for our pockets? Well, it no mean say your salary go increase tomorrow. It no mean say your money go get more value all of a sudden, because the price is still the price. Yesterday price no be today price. Okay, things don't high well. Sorry say I dey smile, but if you don't laugh you go cry. But the thing where you just mean be say because then get accurate data, then go make better decision. But na Naija we dey, people. Anything fit happen. And this thing wey Tinubu do, where he remove, where he comot subsidy, them devalue the naira. Now waiting they cause all of this many wahala be that. Them talk say those things what they do to comot subsidy to devalue the naira now to make the economy better. But for now, it depends us. Even like somebody give you medicine, but the medicine they make the sickness worse. But make we dey hope, make we dey pray, make we continue the hustle. Make you find side hustle. They learn new skills, new programming skills, new coding skills, new AI skills. Make you even join Yahoo self. The joke, no join Yahoo. Na joko, no do. But in summary, man, inflation number don't change. But you know me say it change anything for reality. It be like say they change them of the sickness, but you still dey sick. So make you dey vigilant, see they read the news, see they do things to better yourself and better your families. They ask questions. Hold your leaders accountable. Hold your leaders accountable. No, they distracted about Senator Natasha. That one no concern us. that one are rich people problem. Focus on everyday problem. Ask the right questions. Hold your leaders they accountable. Okay, and obviously try smile sometimes. Try laugh, because if you no laugh, we go cry. Make you no loss. I beg, make una press like, make una subscribe, make una help my ministry. Make una subscribe so that we will grow the channel, and make una share to una friends. Okay, until the next time, this na Naija Economic Gist. I be your guy, Dr. Toves, and I go see you next time. Oh yeah, bye bye.